All right, YouTube, 106 Falconer back with another freaking exciting video. I'm building a deck for my mother. I haven't built a deck in years. First time ever working with this plastic crap. It's quite a learning curve. It's not bad. There's several things I would have done different, had I ever used this crap before. Anyways, I'm putting this white fascia board on here, which that's like 11 and 3/8 wide, 11 and a quarter, whatever. The deck is framed, double framed with 2x8. But these freaking fascia boards are so damn expensive. I'm like, well, I'm just going to use the whole freaking board. Which, when I put the first board up on the side here, over here, it looks like a fat man with skinny legs. So, because I'm not sure what we're doing for the skirting. Going to use plastic lattice or do a solid skirt, or now that I did this, maybe just leave it open and just put the white rocks all through there. Anyways, so I got a post sleeve, one of the pre-cut 39-inch ones. See if I could get it around the legs, because I needed to do something because it looks like crap. So I found if you cut them right in the corner, you can spread them around and get them around the 4x4. Now, if I would have thought about it before, I would have put a sleeve on there before I put the framing up. But whatever. That's so. I mean, it goes on pretty good. The bottom doesn't quite close up all the way where the post mounts are, but I figure I'm just going to shoot a little bit of white silicone or caulk in there. But I mean, you can't really notice it at all. It looks pretty good. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do these other 3 posts here. Then I'm going to finish doing the fascia board. Then I'm going to do the stairs. So at the Home Depot, you can get the veranda. It's 4x4 by 100-inch post jacket for $25. Where if you buy the pre-cut 39-inch ones, they're $12 a piece. So, had I known it was going to work, I would have bought one of these and it would have done all 4 posts. But now that I know it works, I'm going to cut one down. I'm going to do this one here. I'll show you, and then you'll see what's happening. All right, so I'm going to use my jigsaw with just regular wood blade on there. Get that corner, well, any corner. Try to keep it going as straight as possible. I tried this on my table saw. Yeah, don't do it. Bam, done like dinner. All right, we'll get it over there and slap it on. All right, before I throw that on, I'm gonna take down this piece of fascia. I put blocking here so that got some purchase for the fascia. So Yeah, this and the other thing too is I tried it with a scrap piece, and I heated the opposite corner up with a heat gun, and opened it up, but it deformed it. So this way you can stretch this around, and it won't break. I mean, she's a little stout. You gotta wrestle with it to get it going. But then once she gets going, it's all right. This oh, watch out for your fingers. Oh, son of a bitch. Yeah, this stuff's amazingly springy. Let me see if I can. Just like that, bam. So you can see the oh shit, you know what? I forgot to clean the dirt off this thing. I'll have to clean that out. But it'll close up good until you get down to right there. But when I get the dirt out of there, that'll close up a lot better. So I'll get the other ones done, and I'll show you what it looks like with all four of them. See, it already looks better like that. So I'll be back in a minute, bitches. Okay, so there it is. The four legs wrapped. Got my fascia board there temporarily held up. Found out what the problem was with the gap on there on the bottom. I'd use these screws on the post brackets, and they were sticking out too far. So I have some of these left over from when I built the fence there eons ago, and nailed it in, and let that close up. So now I'm gonna have to pull that off, take screws out, nail it in, and we'll be good. But I think we can all agree that looks a lot better than bare wood. So all right, that's it, man. See ya, bitches.